welcome. Thank you for joining me virtually. The Republic of Gamers has pushed the limits with every innovation. ROG loves gaming, and ROG Phone 3 is the ultimate game changer. We used our know-how and user feedback to create the most visionary generation yet. ROG Phone 3 delivers absolute power, enhanced audio, features the world's fastest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G mobile platform, 0.1 GHz of pure power. And with 5G connectivity, ROG Phone 3 is undeniably the world's most powerful and capable gaming smartphone ever. To show you just how powerful the latest Snapdragon processor is, incredible partnership. Snapdragon 865 Plus performance than the previous generation Snapdragon. ROG Phone 3 outshines the competition. The exceptional processor and graphics performance, so the large heatsink is visible. The heatsink is perfectly positioned to cover the CPU and the 5G chip. Also, the redesigned 3D vapor chamber and graphite film dispel heat for maximum cooling. The cooling system delivers non-stop, ultra-smooth performance for the ultimate mobile gaming experience. The brand new Aero Active Cooler 3 clip-on external fan keeps ROG Phone 3 cool to boost performance during intense gaming sessions. It also viewing experiences when the phone is placed on the flat surfaces. ROG Phone 3 features cutting-edge smartphone display technology. This can be seen in its stunning 144Hz AMOLED display. The visual quality of the display takes gaming experiences to the next level. The 270Hz touch sampling rate delivers incredibly low touch latency and high responsiveness. And with the data E-value of less than 1, the display has industry-leading color accuracy and delivers a superb visuals. For a more comfortable viewing experience, it also has a low blue light and a flicker-reduced certification from TUV Rainland. With this display, ROG Phone 3 enables games that support 144Hz, so gamers can enjoy the most insane battles, which includes X mode, performance tuning software. X mode is designed. Gamers can easily boost overall performance and customize settings for different games. The profiles will be updated for new versions of games. The incredible stable ROG Phone 3, gamers can enjoy consistently high performance even during marathon gaming sessions. Refresh rate outperforms every top competitors. And with 6,000 mAh battery provides incredible battery life. And the 30 watts ROG Hypercharge power adapter meant the best audio possible. Volume, clarity, imaging, and frequency response rate are all the key factors in delivering high-quality sound. The GameFX audio system delivers powerful and immersive gaming audio with its dual front-facing stereo speakers. Exciting features that take gaming experiences to the next level. In landscape orientation, leveled up Air Trigger 3 controls and the groundbreaking new hyperfusion technology, ROG Phone 3. With total of 6 supported gestures, users can customize their own actions for different games. User-friendly controls HyperFusion technology enables simultaneous connections to Wi-Fi and mobile networks. It redirects to a stronger signal and boosts connection speeds by combining connections, delivering the fast and stable network connections gamers need. We specifically designed the side port to keep cables out of the way of gameplay, making it convenient to charge even when gaming or live streaming. A quad mic system filters out background noise for crystal clear voice communications in multiplayer gaming. ROG Phone 3 also features Aura RGB lighting. The growing RGB logo on the back cover supports a variety of colors and lighting schemes. The triple camera system on ROG Phone 3 is designed to produce superb photos in any setting. It features a flagship Sony IMX686 64-megapixel wide-angle main camera, an ultra-wide 13-megapixel second camera, and a macro camera. A built-in microphone on the back cover removes background noise and delivers flawless voice quality in videos. Phones connect people, and ROG Phone 3 will level up any mobile gaming experience. One of these accessories is the ROG Q93 Gamepad. With the superb grip and modular design, it offers a variety of gaming modes, so gamers can battle anywhere. Phone 3 with 16GB RAM and 512GB ROM will be available for €1099, €999. Strix Edition with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM will be available for €799.
Is the most ultimate smartphone in all aspects. It's a 360-degree upgrade over ROG Phone 2. Here's a quick recap of what makes ROG Phone 3 the ultimate weapon to rule them all. For peak performance, we have equipped ROG Phone 3 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G mobile platform, a world first. It combines the fastest processor with fastest and more energy efficient LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It comes with GameCool 3 multi-layer cooling technology for sustained peak performance. Its 10-bit HDR, 144Hz fastest refresh rate AMOLED display has 25 millisecond fastest touch and 18 millisecond fastest slide latency to provide ultra smooth and ultra responsive gaming and smartphone usage experience. With 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The second variant has 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. We will have a wide range of accessories, but let's start first with what you get in the box. The first and sale for ROG Phone 3 will start on Flipkart on 6th August 2020. Friends, this year the smartphone industry has witnessed a price increase. This is majorly driven by a couple of key factors. The first one is the GST rate increase from 12% to 18%. Then there has also been around 10% depreciation in the Indian rupee versus the US dollar, impacting our input costs. The third critical factor, which comes especially when it comes to the flagship segment, is about actually getting 5G technology. And we've all seen that the addition of 5G technology in high-end flagships is raising costs due to the addition of 5G. But nonetheless, it is very critical. Now, when we actually move to the most important segment of this launch, which you might be waiting for, which is the price announcement, I just want to highlight once again that ROG Phone 3 is the most ultimate flagship phone that you can get with features and benefits which are class apart from the entire competition. And for this amazing package, we are going to be offering you a very, very special pricing, keeping in context the circumstances currently. We are Republic of Gamers, and we will make every endeavor to ensure that we offer the best possible value for the ROG Phone 3 to our Indian fans. So let's move to the pricing. The pricing of 8GB, 128GB variant of ROG Phone 3 is rupees 49,999, and the pricing for 12GB, 256GB variant of ROG Phone 3 is 57,999.